Question 7. The curve y equals 3x squared minus 2x plus c minus 1 cuts the x-axis at 2 points. Find the range of values of c. So if the curve cuts the x-axis at 2 points, it means that there are two roots. So it's a case of two real and distinct roots. Alright, so this equation, we have to write it as 3x squared plus 2x plus c minus 1. This is the equation of the curve. So when it cuts the x-axis, you will have 3x squared minus 2x plus c minus 1 equals to 0. This is where it cuts x-axis. Right, when it cuts the x-axis. So this equation will have two real roots. So since the equation has two real and distinct roots, discriminant will be bigger than 0. Right, so b squared minus 4ac is bigger than 0. So looking at this equation, your b is negative 2, your a is 3, and your c is c minus 1. Right, so simplifying, I will have 4 minus 12, c minus 1 bigger than 0. So 4 minus 12c plus 12 is bigger than 0, minus 12c plus 16 bigger than 0. So negative 12c is bigger than negative 16. Dividing by negative 1 on both sides, I will have 12c less than 16. Note that we have to reverse the sign, the inequality sign. So c is less than 16 over 12, or c less than 16 over 12 is dividing by 4 and 4 over 3.